lads. Good morning, my G's. We're going to be doing something different today. Now, the other week I went up to James's, I got the wings wrapped. I had some wrap left over and I wanted to take it, I wanted to give it a go myself. I want to wrap some things today myself. And the main thing about it, the thing that lets this car down the most is the interior. So we're going to do something about this today. We're going to wrap as many things in the interior as possible. I'm going to try and do a good job. But we'll have to see how it actually turns out. I've got the heat gun, I've got the wrap in the Clio, Jesse's got a squidgy and he's got some blaze. So we're going to drive down to Jesse's. My plan is to initially first do this because I hate the blue. This and this are going to be doing first. And if we've got enough wrap and if we do a good enough job, we're going to be doing things like this. And maybe this and things like that. Just tidy up the whole interior a lot better because with that, they've had stickers. Someone's put these horrible stickers on and they're making the car look even worse. And then I actually ripped the stickers off and it's kind of just like eating into the fade, faded into the paint, whatever, and it looks horrible in here. So we're going to change up some stuff. So we're going to grab the wrap from the Clio and we'll meet you at Jesse's. Right, so we're down at Jesse's garage and hopefully these birds will piss off. So when I park the Clio, oh yeah, you're probably not the best place parked there.
Might as well be at a pigeon festival.
Yeah, I'd skirt over there if I were you. Right, we're going to get this interior bit off. Here is the wrap.
Hey, I'm third wheeling today. So
look how shit my car is, man. Not shit, but like, look how dirty it is. It needs a clean.
oh, we're wrapping interior, not the old fucking driveway.
Well, right, first things first.
I'm a realist.
Very much up. I'm a realist. But we're gonna bring this off. Bring it off, pull it off. First of all, let's get this tacky sticker off. Should we get the extension cable? Thank you very much.
Yes, we shall.
Cheers, cheers. Drinking and driving, oh my god. Yeah, my kid, let me help you with that. Watch out, it's a bit hot, this.
It's just those bits that...
Try that now, my guy. Woo, look at that, out like a light. Reasons to buy a Japanese car. There we go. Does it look like it's way tucked behind that?
No.
No? Snap snouts on your head, miss.
Just give it a yank.
Yeah. Hey, let's work with the car, alright? Let's just take off these two bolts. Oh wait, I lost that one. I mean, we took that one off earlier.
I feel like I'm mildly in the way.
Nah, you better.
Out like a light.
There we go.
My homemade boost gauge. I don't want to snap that bad boy. There's my homemade.
Let's have a look at them.
Look at my homemade boost gauge. Look at that.
Yeah, mate, fully qualified electrician.
Look at all that fucking super glue in there, man.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, yes. Fucking hell, lad.
That's just a hazard in the workplace. That actually shouldn't be too hard, but I'm sure I'll fuck it up somehow.
We'll do that. Piss easy, man.
You said it now.
Piss easy, my guy. Right, let's do it. Start with, we give it a clean. Man's got a demon clean in the back. Demon clean is
The D-clean.
D-clean, demon clean.
Hey, that's a nice subwoofer, that.
We're gonna need.
Yeah. Did you actually just catch that?
With my foot,
Mate, skills. There's actually a human behind this, look.
Right, so because there's some bits which are other bits.
Yeah, all that should come out though when you heat and press it. Yeah, yeah.
If you're stretching it out.
Right, okay.
Right, hold on. Oh, the shot. Oh, the shot.
Professional rappers are going to be internally screaming.
Right, there we go. Right, you hold. Yeah, there you go. You hold either side. Get nice and flexible. Press it down on it. Right on.
Is it big enough?
We'll just try and get it in.
It's pretty much done at that.
It's alright actually.
It's actually quite a good line on.
Professionals?
Basically.
Are we on? Yeah.
We're on.
Look at that. Obviously we've not trimmed them, but there's no point it's going to get covered, but
That looks quite good, to be fair.
it's got a little bit of grease on there, so I need to clean that off. But yeah, let's bang it in. Exciting times. Get out of the way, bitch.
Aww.
So I don't want it pushing the wrap up. That's what I thought it was going to do. Yeah, I might have to do some more trimming.
Sorry, am I stealing your limelight?
You're just wasting my time by not putting the screws in quick enough. thought it was the ocean. It's just a pool.
Watch that copyright, lad.
Come on, fucking hell! I'm paying you for this. For this speed. How many have you got left?
One. That's the last one.
Fuck off. Where are others?
No, that's the only one. They're the only ones you took out.
No, I've lost one of them. So you've lost the
I
other
haven't
three.
because I put them straight in there.
Right, well, you best get looking then because you've lost them.
Right, we're back.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's looking quite scrumptious.
It is.
Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him.
I need to do a little bit of tucking.
Actually, that looks really good. From back here, it probably looks the same from in the front there.
In the front, yeah.
No, I was serious with the wheel. The black bits that you got. That
Oh, inside, yeah. Good
Yeah.
to.
I thought I was taking
No,
piss.
we're basically professionals.
Yeah, now that we're pretty much.
Now that we've made our own wrapping company, yeah.
Yeah, we're called Bodgy Autos.
We're called Better.
Ooh, fucking hell! That put me back in my seat. I don't know how you felt.
Look at that.
I'm looking. Oh, it's fucking under your vent again. I think you need to.
Under here?
Yeah.
Oh, that bit's gonna get covered anyway.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh, it does,
Not
look.
that bit. Oh, does it?
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. I can see it from here. You must not be able to see it from
What
there.
bit?
Hold on.
Right.
That bit there that he's currently doing. You got some nice
Post-eating, this
fingers.
is what it's called.
Post-eating.
Post-eating.
Bodgy Autos.
Making sure that even when it's hot, it still keeps its shape.
Oh. Fuck me, he knows what he's on about, this guy.
I do, I've been down to that. Look at that. That definitely is doing.
That even is doing gloss black. All the
Okay,
same colour as that.
Black. That black.
The woman has spoken, Lee.
And I've got class. Because I drive a
I've
Volvo.
got 60,000 YouTube subscribers.
Yeah.
Not 100k, which means we're peasants.
Come on, come on. I just want to take this time to give a shout out to my mum. Thank you for not being here since 17. Cheers.
Oh, look at these.
For crying out loud.
On the floor where I've not been. You fucking.
I don't understand how they've got there. I'm being serious.
It's a mystery.
We need to do that. Oh,
Fucked
that
it.
looks
Guilty. Yeah, it
this
does look good.
disgusting. This
Black.
See, I don't think that looks bad.
That
Do you know
was,
what?
This was my idea in the first place because I said you should wrap that and then I said do that black and it looks sick, so just carry on doing what I'm saying. Have you just burped?
Yeah, sorry.
That stinks.
I'm coming with
What
that
does it
fire vocals, you know. We're going to start from there. And we're going to come out like this. All the way to the door.
I was going to do some mad flippy action.
Fuck me, that was so...
Fucking cracking on now. Look, second chance. Look at this.
Yeah, shout out this Volvo here. Shout out this Volvo. Oh wait, no, that's not the Volvo. Oh, here it is. There we go. There's your shout out, Em.
Look at this. My motherfucking G. Look at this. So much better. If I can get it in. Look how good that looks, my boys. Way better. Oh, it looks so much better. I think I'm gonna do this bit, or try and do this bit. I think so. I think it should be quite easy. Yeah. Just getting the radio out of it. It's gonna be a bit annoying, but fuck it. Let's go for it.
Got
2. Why haven't you got?
2.
Oh, right.
Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him.
Or that's how the plastic sets. They're both exactly the same.
You need to push it in further. Get a squidgy.
No, I don't think so. Well, it's only gone smashed it, hasn't
Basically a full-on business, this.
it? I know, I might start flagging people down, asking if they want to car wrap.
Oh, so satisfying.
It's good, isn't it?
I'm going to be fucking sitting here picking up bits for about 7 hours.
Look at this. Bloody proud of myself, me, you know. Look at that fucking... Hang on, post heat. Let's not forget to post heat. Man, the littlest things make the biggest difference. Look how good it is now. Let's show you what we've done, what we've been cracking on with. Done these here. They look cool. But, oh, so much cleaner inside. So much. I think that's all we're gonna do. I don't want to go over the top, but the interior looks so much nicer now. We need a bit of a clean and that's got a little bit of grease on them and stuff, but so much prettier. Wow, the satin looks fucking amazing, doesn't it, lad? It's just one of those things that once you start, it's impossible to stop. But it's like, well, we've got enough wrap. What else can we do? Now we're trying to get this fucking. Nah, I can't be able to do that. No, I think that might look silly. That might look a bit silly. What else can we actually do? There's anything on the exterior we can do?
Dust caps.
The exhaust tip.
Oh, the top of the wipers.
No.
Top of the wipers.
No.
That's a debating face, that.
No, I don't know about that one. I need a bolt for that side.
Should we just start wrapping my car same colour?
Should we just put some... Mate, can we just do one panel, please? Yeah. Should we do one wing?
Mate, if there's enough for 2 wings, do both.
Mate, we'd easily be able to do that. The thing is, like, this wrap's actually well easy to work with, isn't it? It's so easy.
It's practice and you can take it off.
I'm just scared about the paint. Like, look what it did to my paint.
Oh.
That's the only thing. But it's the wrap's actually like really easy to work with. Like, I thought it'd be like how sexy it looks now. Camera's not doing it justice, but like the whole driving experience is just way prettier now. Way better. Camera's probably not doing it justice whatsoever, but that was easy, man. I enjoyed that. Right, Jesse, I'm gonna get going. The gym awaits and the sunbeds await.
In a bit.
Goodbye, my G. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Wait till in the shade. Oh, look at it in the shade. Oh, it looks sick, man. Ah, what a colour. It's just so good. It's just nice to be reminded of the car I'm driving now by looking at that. And remember knowing how sick that looks in the shade. Like, look at that. Wow. Right, let's get home. Not home, but around the corner, because Jess lives around the corner. We're going to go to the gym, sunbeds, and I think going to the cinema later with my mate watching that new scary film. So, this will be the end of the video, guys. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Cleo videos coming up. See you later.